Welcome, weary educator, to the haunted faculty hall where your teaching terrors await. Escape each room using the power of AI, or remain here forever. Welcome to the Video Vanquisher Challenge. If you've ever spent hours re-recording the same course introduction, cringing at your voice, or fighting with your webcam, this room might feel a little too familiar. But here, you're not trapped in an endless recording loop. In this challenge, you'll learn how to use Synthesia, an AI video tool, to create a polished introduction video that increases your instructor presence without all the retakes and tech frustration. In just a few steps, you'll script a warm, welcoming message, choose an avatar, or even create your own, and generate a professional-looking video you can embed in your online course. Your mission in this room is simple. 1. Create a free Synthesia account. 2. Draft a short first-day introduction script. 3. Generate an AI-powered intro video using an avatar. When you're finished, you'll have a reusable introduction video that helps students feel connected to you from day one while saving you time and energy each semester. To earn your Video Vanguisher badge, we want you to be successful, so here's how to get started quickly. Go to the Synthesia website. Open your browser and go to synthesia.io. Click Get Started or Try for Free. On the home page, look for a button that says Get Started, Try for Free, or Create AI Video. Click it to begin the sign-up process. Sign up with your email or SSO. You'll typically have options like Sign up with work email or use Google, Microsoft, SSO if available. Use your institutional email if you'd like to keep this connected to your teaching identity. Complete basic profile info. You may be asked, your name, organization, or school. How you plan to use Synthesia, for example, education, training, or online courses. Answer the brief questions and click Continue. Confirm your email if required. Check your inbox for a confirmation email from Synthesia. Click the confirmation link to activate your account. Access your Synthesia dashboard. Once logged in, you'll see options like Create Video, Templates, or New Video. Following is a step-by-step YouTube video to help you master this challenge. This is your home base for building your introduction video. Please watch the YouTube video for step-by-step instructions. Don't be haunted by not trying.
In this video, I'll show you guys how you can turn your text into video within minutes using Synthesia.
Well done, Video Vanquisher! You've conquered your first haunting and put an end to the endless loop of re-recording. But your journey through the haunted faculty halls is far from over. Ahead of you are 5 more spooky challenges, each designed to strengthen your teaching toolkit and help you face another common instructional fear, this time with the power of AI by your side. Here's a preview of the badges that await you. The Grading Ghostbuster. In this room, you'll confront the swirling chaos of missing TAs and take back control by using AI to build rubrics and streamline feedback. The Monotony Breaker. Enter a discussion board trapped in an I agree loop and use creative design tools to spark engagement and break the monotony. The Syllabus Sorcerer. Here, you'll transform a cursed, outdated syllabus into a clear, inclusive, and student-friendly guide using AI-enhanced revision strategies. The Inbox Exorcist. This room challenges you to tame the ghosts of unanswered emails using AI-crafted responses that are empathetic, timely, and professional. The Faculty Freedom Badge, your final escape. Complete all the rooms, submit your artifacts, and reflect on how AI can support your teaching practice. Each badge brings you one step closer to escaping the haunted faculty halls for good. When you're ready, follow the lantern light to your next room. And may your courage continue to rise as you face the next fright.